Ever notice how AI can be so confident about things it's completely made up? Like it's staring at a photo of a cat and insists there's a flamingo in the background. That's what scientists call object hallucination, when AI models invent details that don't exist. And it's a big deal, especially when these systems are used to diagnose diseases or drive cars. So how do researchers fix this? Let's break down a game-changing approach called Sentinel. Think of it like a detective for AI. Its job is to catch those fake details as they're being created, not after the fact. Here's the trick. When AI generates a description, it's like writing a story. If the first sentence has a mistake, the rest of the story can spiral into bigger errors. Sentinel stops that chain reaction by checking each sentence right when it's written. It's like having a fact-checker whispering, "Wait, does that make sense?" as the AI writes. How does it work? Sentinel uses two powerful tools to verify if the objects the AI mentions actually exist in the image. First, a SceneGraphParser breaks down each sentence into relationships, like cat sits on chair. Then, an object detector called Grounding DINO checks if those objects are present. If a sentence mentions a blue car, but the image has no car, it gets flagged. But what if the AI isn't sure? Like if it's unsure if a red object is a ball or a tomato. They found that skipping uncertain details actually improves accuracy. It's like trusting your gut. If you're unsure, better to leave it out than risk adding a false detail. The results? A 30% drop in hallucinations compared to older methods. And here's the kicker. It doesn't slow down the AI or need expensive human help. Sentinel learns from its own generated data, making it fast, affordable, and adaptable to any image or task. Why does this matter? Imagine an AI helping a doctor analyze a scan, or a self-driving car navigating a busy street. Reliable AI isn't just about being smart, it's about being honest. Sentinel is a big step toward systems we can trust. Let's look at an example. Take a photo of a beach. The regular model might say, a colorful umbrella on a sandy beach. That's true, but Sentinel adds details the original missed, a yellow towel on a chair or seaweed near the waterline. It's like giving the AI a second pair of eyes. Or check out this image of a rural village. The base model says, thatched huts in a green field. Sentinel notices banana plants to the left and yellow flowers by the building. These aren't random guesses. They're precise, accurate additions that paint a fuller picture. And it's not just about adding details. The study tested tricky questions, like, which city is farthest north? The regular model guessed Chicago, but Sentinel correctly identified Minneapolis. Or is the trash full? The base model said it was empty, but Sentinel spotted a woman taking it out. Tiny errors, but huge implications. So how does this work? Sentinel uses a technique called data-augmented phrase-level alignment. Basically, it compares every part of its description to the image, flagging anything that doesn't match. The result? A 40% drop in hallucinations and richer, more accurate descriptions. Imagine AI helping doctors spot tumors, guiding robots in warehouses, or even translating languages in real time. If the AI's vision is reliable, these technologies become way more trustworthy. The takeaway? AI is getting smarter, but it's still a work in progress. Tools like Sentinel are closing the gap between what AI thinks it sees and what's actually there. As these systems become part of our daily lives, getting the details right isn't just impressive, it's essential. Next time you see an AI describe a photo, ask yourself, is this a guess or a glimpse? Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more deep dives into the science behind the tech. And hey, share your favorite AI mistake or win in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going.